Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Hypercharge Pro, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, what we found is that Hypercharge Pro is sold through slick, ad-heavy websites like get.clariohome.com, but when you dig a little deeper, things don't add up. The product is marketed with bold promises about boosting charging speed and optimizing phone performance. There are no reputable third-party reviews, no YouTube tests, and no actual proof of these advanced capabilities. According to researchers and malware tips, this product is just a mass-produced charger that can be found for a few bucks on wholesale sites like Alibaba without the hype or the inflated price tag. Claims of tech breakthroughs and engineered performance appear to be marketing buzzwords with no scientific or technical backing. For the final verdict, Hypercharge Pro might work as a basic charger, but it's not the revolutionary tech upgrade it's marketed to be. You're essentially paying a premium for a story, not for innovation or quality. If you're in the market for a charger, you're better off buying from a well-known brand with real user reviews and technical specs. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.